Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real Living, and welcome if you're new. Today's video has a little bit of everything in it. We had a lot going on this week. We had a bunch of different projects going on, so this video is a little bit all over the place, but there is something for everyone in this video. So I hope you come along with me and let's get motivated. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This very first part of the video has kind of been giving me a lot of anxiety here lately. First of all, don't mind my clothes. It was late at night and this was a planned out thing, just not at that moment. But Joe has been trying to convince me to cut my hair off for a few years now, because I'm always complaining about how dead and dry and just damaged it is from years of abuse and just not knowing how to take care of my hair properly. So he bought me a wig to help with my anxiety and my confidence so that I could wear the wig and go ahead and cut my hair. This is a very big deal for me. I've never done anything like this before in my life, and you'll see there's a clip where I look at myself after all of my hair is cut off and I want to cry. And Joe is the one that he makes me laugh, and he just kept reassuring me that it's just hair. It's going to grow back. And my whole purpose behind this is just to hopefully make my hair healthier and learn how to take care of it properly so that it doesn't get as dry and as damaged as it was before. So if you guys have any kind of tips and tricks or anything to help my hair either grow faster or just to be healthy in general, please, please, please drop me a comment down below. I am open to any suggestions, any, advice. This is a big deal for me. I miss my hair. I am not used to looking in the mirror and not seeing my hair. But I wanted to let you guys know that it was a wig for the past couple of weeks, and now I've finally got the confidence to just be like, you know what, it's just hair. It's going to grow back, and I hope you guys come along on the journey with me to growing it back and maybe give me some advice and some tips and tricks on how to do it and how to take care of it. So I hope my new appearance doesn't shock you too much, but this is a big deal for me, so.
Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
So now that the scary part of the video is over for me and my anxiety has calmed down, we are moving on to the next day with the truck. I wanted to get my truck cleaned out. Between the kids and the dogs and us just getting in and out of the truck all the time and where we live, it gets pretty nasty. Not necessarily just straight up gross or anything, because I don't like to keep garbage in there. I do regularly take the garbage out every time there's anything in there, but every once in a while, like you'll see, the kids like to sneak some stuff up underneath the seats and I don't see it. But the main problem is the dirt and the dog hair. So those are the main things that I really needed to focus on inside of this truck. So I wanted to get all of the floor and the seats, everything needed to get vacuumed. And after I was finished with that, I went ahead and went in there with some Armor All. And I Armor All'd everything that is either plastic or leather that is inside the truck. I like Armor All the best. If y'all have any suggestions of other products, list them in the comments below, and I will talk to my husband and we'll see what we can do to try some of those out. But I really do like the protective component of Armor All, and I love the way it makes my truck shine on the inside. But that's what we had to get done in here, and then we washed it afterwards.
It's what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight, and you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
another love. Yeah, we do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a smile, the way your body makes my heart beat. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. I'll show me.
It's pretty easy to hide some of the dirt and debris that does get on a white vehicle, but at this extent, it needed to be washed. She needed a bath so bad. And you can tell by all of the just road dust and dirt and everything that is up on the sides of my truck and also on the rims. So I went ahead and while Joe was getting it wet and rinsing it off, I went behind him and started from top to bottom washing it, and he went behind me and rinsed it off right after I washed it. So we were able to get this truck done pretty quickly.
What you can do, make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making. Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love. With every breath that we're taking. you, follow you. I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you.
This is that little pathway that we cleaned up last week on our video. We wanted to go ahead and pressure wash it, and since we had the pressure washer out washing the truck, we figured we might as well go ahead and hit this pathway. It was so satisfying. I love watching a pressure washing video. It is just watching all of the stuff just go away. It's so satisfying to me. Drop me a comment down below if you think that pressure washing is just as satisfying.
Follow you.
Oh, and I forgot to mention the stuff in the orange sprayer that Joe is using is actually just some crud cutter, an all-purpose crud cutter. It's just the only thing that goes into that particular sprayer is just cleaning chemicals. That is it. Nothing else goes into that particular one.
For a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
This pull chair was actually not planned, but we figured, since again we had the pressure washer out and we noticed it, we were like, you know what, this would be a really satisfying one to do for the video. So we went ahead and sprayed it down with the all-purpose cleaner, and Joe pressure washed it. And to be honest, even though it wasn't planned, I'm so glad we did, because it looks brand new now.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight.
I got a comment a few videos back, I believe. Someone asked me to do some recipes. Now, I've never done this before, and I'm not a professional cook, and I don't necessarily follow a recipe. When I think of a recipe, I will look up a recipe for something that I want. Like, for instance, this meal here is brand new to me. It is beef barbacoa. And I've never made this before. So I looked up a couple of recipes, and I kind of picked and choose some of the different ingredients to mix them together from a couple of different recipes. I'm going to list the recipe or what I did in the description below if you want to try it that way. But to be honest, unless it's baking, like actual baking, I don't follow a recipe. I kind of eyeball everything. I like to eyeball my seasonings and my salts and my peppers and everything. There's very few things that I'll actually measure. So I will list how I did everything, how much of everything I used, how long I cooked it, which it was, when I slow cook beef, I usually do it on low for 6 to 8 hours. It usually ends up being about 7.5 hours. But like I said, I will list the entire recipe that I followed down below in the description. But this is all new to me, so if there's any particular thing that you would like to see me cook or try to cook, then let me know, and I will do my best to do that for you.
We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay,
this meal actually did turn out really, really well. But like I said, I don't have exact measurements of what I used. I will give you the measurements of what was in the recipe or what was recommended for the recipe. But that's the beautiful thing about cooking, is you can take a recipe and you can either add or take some of the things away to kind of make it your own. And that's the thing I love the most about cooking. It's never the same. Everybody's got a different recipe. Everybody has different ways that they cook, or the way that they've been taught to cook. So, like I said, if there's anything that you would like to see me cook, or give me suggestions or recipes that you would like me to try, then I will definitely do that for you.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can write all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need.
It's still strange to sit here and edit videos and not see my long hair anymore. But anyways, after we ate dinner, I wanted to get the kitchen cleaned up. I wanted to totally clean everything. I want even the floors. I wanted to be able to wake up to a nice clean kitchen and not have to worry about it the next day. So I was kind of bouncing back and forth between cleaning the kitchen and getting the kids ready for bed and all of that. So it took me probably 2 hours to fully complete the kitchen. I had to put the dinner away. I had to get the dishes done, and I really wanted to get my floor swept and mopped because it had been a few days since I'd been able to get that done. So I really wanted to get all of that done, and it ended up being about, I think, 10:30-ish, 10:40 before I was done and was able to go to bed.
Friend, then call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you,
and you got me too. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
So the last thing that I wanted to get done was the living room. The living room had kind of gotten a little bit neglected the past few days since we'd been working outside and everything like that. So I had some towels I needed to put away, and I needed to get the couch put back together. But I really needed to get the floor swept, because you'll see between coming in and out of the house for the past couple of days has tracked in a lot of sand. So I really needed to get my floor swept and mopped, and I also had to dust before I did any of that. So the living room was definitely a project.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making,
Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days. Wrap your arms around me, boy. Give me all the comfort that I crave, and I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you. Follow you, I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, I'll follow you. I'll follow you. Put your lips against mine, boy. 'Cause I have lost a little bit of faith. I got lost in the darkness. Now I count on you to set me straight, and I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you. Follow you, I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, I'll follow you.
I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit all over the place. It was kind of something for everyone. Like I was saying in the beginning, my hair, I hope that you can give me some suggestions and tips and tricks, you know, anything to help me, because I miss my hair and I want it back. But I also hope that you enjoyed all the pressure washing and the cleaning, and I hope I motivated you to get a few things done around your house. And I hope that I get to see you all next week in my next video, but until then, thank you all for watching.